Inborn po itong blindness ko. Sabi po ng mama ko, during pregnancy niya daw po, inom po siya ng gamot without po ng prescription ng doctor. Sadly po, pinapacheck po namin itong blindness ko. Sabi ng doktor, no chance na daw po na makakita ako kasi naluto na po yung nerves. Kahit hindi ko po nakita kung ano man yung itsura ng world natin, kinikwento naman po sa akin ng pamilya ko. Sabi nila, we have a world that's so happy. Napakaganda na nagawa ng creator natin. Meron tayong napakaganda at napakasayang mundo. Pagbibigyan ako ng chance, even once lang in a lifetime, gusto kong makita kung ano yung hugis at saka ano yung itsura ng rainbow. Kasi sabi nila maganda daw yung rainbow. Yung rainbow is a sign of happiness.
With her talent piercing through darkness, get ready for Jeremy Tampoy, or simply Jeremy.
She rolled my hair and put my lipstick on in a glass of her boudoir. There's nothing wrong with loving who you are, she said, 'cause he made you perfectly. So hold your head up and you'll go far. Listen to me when I say I'm beautiful in a way, 'cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide yourself and regret, just love yourself and you're sad. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. There ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. Oh baby, there ain't no other way. Baby, I'm on the right track. Baby, I was born this way. I was born this way. Hey, I was born this way. On the right track, baby, I was born this way. I was born this way. Hey, I was born this way. On the right track, baby, I was born this way. My mama told me when I was young, we are all born to pass.
Born this way, Jeremy. Here's your mic, Jeremy. Okay, Scouts, what do you say?
Jeremy, palakpakan natin. Isa pa si Jeremy! Jeremy, napakagaling mong kumanta.
Thank you po.
Ikaw ay isang gem. Ikaw ay natatangi. Mas marami pang nakakakita na hindi nila ginagamit sa tama kung anong meron sila. Ikaw, nasa iyo ang lahat. Hindi ka nga lang perfect, Jeremy, sabi ni Bayani. You are more than perfect!
I'm so happy na pinakita mo rin na you're very, very good in playing the piano at ginawa mong sarili mo yung Born This Way.
Thank you po.
Filipino way.
Yes po.
Congratulations. Job well done.
Alam mo, ilang beses ko nang narinig ang kantang yan. Pero para sa isang katulad mo na kantahin ang isang napaka-life-affirming, self-accepting song katulad niyang Born This Way, biglang nag-iba ang kulay ng kantang yan para sa akin. Can you imagine na ikaw na pinagkaitan nga ng sense of sight will sing a song like Born This Way? It makes me so humbled. And it makes me feel so mortal not to appreciate what has been given to me. Second point, totoo sabi ni Tuesday, maaaring maraming ipinagkait sa'yo ang Panginoon na inalis sa'yo ang sense of sight. But my God, what a gift He has given you through such a beautiful voice and such great musical talent. And third point, ikatlong punto, naiinis ako sa iyo, Jeremy, dahil binigyan mo ako ng problema. Dahil
Bakit po?
hindi ko alam ngayon kung sino ang aking iboboto, ikaw o yung kampyon. Dahil para sa akin, tapos na ang boxing sa gabing ito. Yun na.
Thank you very much, Dance Scouts. Obvious na maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw ang galing ni Jeremy. Ngayon, ang tanong, Jeremy, nasilaw mo kaya ang ating Dance Scout sa kanyang galing? Jeremy, let's check the board. Jeremy, ang binigay sa yung scores ng ating Talent Scouts, 95, 96, 97, at 100.
Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you!